Hello, welcome back to my channel. I look like this because it was my birthday yesterday. It was a very late night and we got up really early to drive to Peak District. So come with me and us on this vlog or journey to Peak District. Having some prep, and don't get me wrong, yeah, I know we're healthy, it looks healthy here, but we ate the birthday cake on the way at like 10 in the morning, and now we feel so guilty. We're like, oh my god, let's eat something nutritious at least. So yeah, okay, we're about half an hour away from our hotel, but look at the scenery already. How cute are these little villages? Oh, so cute. And look at the view. Okay, look how beautiful this looks. Oh my god. Wow. So we arrived at the Merchant's Yard. This is where we're staying, and we booked the restaurant for tonight here as well. Look at this room, isn't it so cute? It's like very cottagey kind of vibes, and I mean, I've got all my bags here, sorry, and just like a cute little bathroom. So lovely. I just love high ceilings, and look at that beam there, it's so pretty. And these are like electric ones, so we can close it because I want to be able to sleep. I'm gonna have a nap. My husband's gone to get some food. I'm too tired to eat. I'm so birthdayed out. I love my sleep. I'm not a nap person, but I'm like, you know what? If I want to have I want to do my hair and makeup and I want to get ready to do dinner. I'm old school like that. Like, I can't go to a dinner. You know, if you have a dinner reservation, you want to look nice. You don't want to go casual. That's my policy. I'm like, why not? You know, any excuse really, right? to dress up and feel good about yourself. Yes, I'm going to nap so that I am super fresh. Just curled my hair. Just going to get changed. This is my outfit, guys. Just like dad jeans. They're called dad jeans.
I thought it's mom jeans.
No, the mom jeans are not so much in fashion anymore. Such a cute place. We've decided to do the tasting menu. This is what it looks like. I love doing tasting menus. I would have done the wine pairing, but we are going to go for a hike tomorrow, so maybe no alcohol. Well, I'm having a glass of Prosecco. It's a scallop. Okay. Some pork and I don't know. So far, the food's amazing. You know, we started the taster menu, and after 2 courses, we were both like, we're still hungry. We're gonna have to order something after this. By the time we got to the 4th, we're both like, actually, we're full. And we haven't had dessert. We've got 2 more courses, so yeah. So give it a shot. Try it out. Yummy, yummy. Morning. Sorry, I didn't post anything after. Like, we literally just ate, which was so good, by the way, and we were very full. Came back and yeah, we passed out because we were so tired because it was the long drive, and obviously, as it is, just it was a late night from my birthday the night before. So yeah, so it's 6 in the morning. We're just gonna have some coffee, start getting ready, and then go get breakfast before we do our hike. I'm actually nervous about it because I've never done a hike, in my entire life. I've gone for walks, which only started like last year, but I've never done a 2-hour hike up a mountain. I've never done. So yeah, I'm hoping that would be a new thing for me, you know. I mean, who goes hiking on their birthday? I'm sure a lot of people do. I've never done it, so I'm actually really excited about it because I've just wanted to do something completely different.
We check the weather every single day. Even yesterday, it said it was just going to be dry, but now it's 85% chance of rain, and it's already raining. So, like a moron, I had packed my rain jacket in my rucksack to go hiking, and I took it out because I was like, oh, why carry it for no reason? Yeah, and I'm wearing a very light color. Not gonna ladda över, but yeah.
So we're gonna have a fat breakfast. Oh, yummy toast, fruit salad. I'm recording. Just don't talk. We're talking about Gemini Ganesan. Have you eaten? Oh, is it nice?
So good.
I mean, you can't really go wrong, can you? With an egg benedict. I'm hard at it, gonna. I will highly recommend the Merchant's Yard. I am gonna add it in the description because I mean we found it on booking.com. We honestly didn't even spend much time. As long as I like the way the room looks and the location is always usually the most important to me. So we booked it and it was, I mean, to stay one night, I think it's okay. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but if you have an electric car, you can charge it for free. They let you charge overnight. And it was a fairly fast charge. It charged the car, well, we didn't have that much to charge, to be honest, but yeah. So that was included. The breakfast was included, and they said we could order whatever we want on that menu, so you could have technically had everything, which obviously we didn't do. But and obviously the dinner, I mean the dinner wasn't included, but the quality and the food was really, really good. So but you know, obviously it's nice to just explore, to walk around and have pub food anywhere else as well. But yeah, for like one night, it was so worth it, and it was just such a beautiful room. The bed, the pillows, everything was great. So if you're okay spending that little bit extra, just having a little bit of a bouginess to it, then I would highly recommend them. Anyway, it's 17 minutes to Mam Tor. It's basically Mother Hill. It's the highest. I could be wrong, don't quote me on this, but yeah, so it is extremely cloudy. It stopped raining, thank God. It's not gonna rain for the rest of the day now, but we're gonna go up and we're gonna start walking. And my husband, we have a bet, because my husband thinks that halfway I'm already gonna give up and I'm gonna be like, interview kanum vanga vitta povam. So let's see. So I think it's that one. That's the one we're gonna climb. We made it. Well, the car park is just there, and we're already tired and we have to go up. Okay. Hope you can hear me because yay, we're going up. It's only a 2-hour walk. Whew, எனக்கு இப்பவே இல்லாம இருக்குது. This is insane. Actually, we're meant to walk there and then walk back. Makes sense that it's a 2-hour walk. I'm excited. Okay, so we're halfway. We've walked an hour. There's still, I mean, I don't know, it might take us a little bit longer, because I've realized, you know, because it's my first time hiking, I've realized that like what I need and what I've missed out on, and definitely not wearing the right shoes. I mean, they're okay, but I'm having to walk on the grass rather than these floors, if that makes sense, because it's obviously not like it's uneven, and I think I need those higher proper hiking boots, the ones that cover your ankles, so they're a bit more supportive. So I'm walking very slow because I don't want to hurt my ankles, obviously.
So shoes. Also, no matter what the weather is, I should always pack the thin raincoat that I have from like when I went Go Ape years ago. I've kept it. So that I should have packed. Even though right now it's okay, but it sometimes protects you from like the wind as well, because my ears, I can't feel them anymore. Like I've been wearing my hood. Let me wear it again actually. So it's not too bad. So far we're okay. We haven't drank any water because where do you go to the toilet when you go to these hikes? I mean, if it was the forest, you know, but we're not. It's all open. Like it's a mountain. Like where do you go toilet? So yeah, so we're trying to be very smart about drinking water. Yeah, I'll let you guys know when we get to the end of this route, I guess. So yeah, it's going good so far. I'm not tired at all, so I'm really proud of myself. Now, we're going to be walking up there now, or climbing up there now. Can't believe, do you see that hilltop there? So we came from there, can you imagine? Woo! Okay, we made it. Insane.
How do you feel?
I actually feel fine. I might not look it, but I do feel fine. Sorry about the wind, but we're taking a break. Got some crackers and salami and a peach. Back in the car. We did it in about almost 4 hours, so we did it in 3.5. The walk back, because most of it was an ascent, it was a bit challenging. Like my ankle, one of my ankle is super sore, so now I know, okay, I just definitely didn't wear the right shoes. And I've been holding my pee, okay, so that was a challenge as well. That's my own fault. Yeah, to be honest, I couldn't find any bushes. But it was so scenic, it was so beautiful, and my husband and I were so motivated to do more of these kind of hikes from now on. This was our first time, and I'm actually very proud of myself that I did it and that my fitness level was great. It said it takes exactly 4 hours to do the entire walk, and the fact that we did it in under 4 while stopping and taking pictures and videos, I'm pretty proud of myself, and I'm pretty proud of my husband. He was faster than me. He probably could have done it in 3 hours. He just kept stopping and turning around and waiting for me. But that's only because I just did not want to risk hurting my ankle or my knee or anything. So I was just walking very slowly. Anyway, now we're just gonna try and find a pub for a Sunday roast. Have you ever had a Sunday roast? So my husband's never had an English Sunday roast, so I'm gonna get him to have one. I think he'll really like it because he's such a meat eater, and I'm just in it for the Yorkshire puddings. But hopefully we can find one, because we didn't reserve it because we just didn't know how long we were gonna like take walking or hiking or climbing. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to take you. All right. I'm gonna see what my husband thinks. My husband liked it. I personally thought that was the worst roast I've had. But it's good that since he didn't have anything to compare it to, he enjoyed it, so I'm happy. But now it's 3.5 hours to go home. The good thing is we're not gonna need to charge the car, we can just go straight home. But yeah, this was like just a really quick, easy kind of vlog, random. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope this might have inspired you to take up walking or hiking, and just to do something different for one's birthday. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time.